What's up, everyone? All right, well, here we are on the 11th consecutive green day. You know, I'm on a nice little hot streak here, but I would say this week, no doubt, has been a little bit slower as far as momentum is concerned. Monday was a little slow, Tuesday was a little slow, and today I'm up $1,200. I was up $1,700, and then I gave back about $500 off the top. So today is a day where I gave back a little profit to the market. I may have overstayed my welcome a little bit. Yesterday, I think I left at a time where I was, I didn't give back any profit, but if I'd kept trading, I might have been able to make a little bit more. So leaving money on the table or giving back profit. Today I gave back a little bit, and when I was up 1,700 and I gave back 700 and I was up only 1,000, I told myself, I said, Ross, you've got one more trade. If you lose on this trade, you're done. You got to walk away, because if I lose another $200 and I'm up only 800, that's it. I've given back more than half my gains. So I told myself, this is your last trade. You got to make it count. And I did. I ended up having a winner, a small winner, not a huge winner, but another small win. And then a third small win. So finishing the day up $1,200. Again, it's not a home run, but I'm not in the mindset right now of looking for home runs. I'm looking for good quality trades. I want to take profit as soon as I have it. And if I have a stock that I'm trading that ends up on a micro pullback going up another leg, I'll get back in. If it goes up another leg, I'll get back in. And I'll keep trading it until it slows down. It just happens that in the last 3 days, we haven't had a stock that's made like a 200% intraday move. And so I haven't had opportunities to get back in for the next leg up. So it's just been sort of the first leg or a little quick red to green move, and then things have kind of just flattened out. So that's fine. I'm right now, I would say, kind of treading water, making some slow progress, and waiting for that next stock that really explodes just out of nowhere. So I guess BRN yesterday really was that, from $1 up to $2.60. I just didn't happen to fully capitalize on it for a number of reasons. But it was kind of just one stock, and then the rest of the day was kind of slow. So, and today we so far haven't had one of those. So we'll see what we have in store for us tomorrow and Friday. Try to finish up the week strong, and make it 2 more green days. So that would make it the 12th. I wish I didn't just do this. Thursday the 12th, and then Friday the 13th, because Friday will be my 13th consecutive green day if I can do it. So I just created my own Friday the 13th. Oh my God. Well, that's great. All right, so I've got that to deal with, and I'm gonna try to put it aside and just try to just put it completely out of mind. Forget I even said anything. All right, see you guys tomorrow. All right, everyone, so we'll do our midday market recap here and go over the trades from this morning. It's coming up on 10:30 here, and momentum is slowing down a little bit, although there wasn't a whole lot of momentum to begin with. DTSS is popping up a little bit more right now. I had 2 stocks on watch this morning, DTSS and HOTH. I ended up choosing HOTH of the 2 that I was watching. But I'll show you basically what I was looking at on both of them. So this was the 5-minute chart on DTSS pre-market with a pre-market high of 379. I liked it. I thought it looked good, and so I had an order ready to go to jump in for the break of the pre-market highs. It ended up in the first minute spiking up, breaking the pre-market high, and then coming all the way back down. That's some pretty crazy volatility in the first minute. I saw some of you guys traded it and made money on it. I missed it completely. So no trades on it. It tried to come back up to the VWAP right here, and it failed, and then has been lower since. It's kind of coming back up to the VWAP again now, but realistically, until it gets over 340 and 345, 350, and actually goes green on the day, I wouldn't be interested in going back. Or trading it at all. I don't trust it. So that's DTSS, a former runner stock, history of making some pretty big moves, but today was not the day. HOTH, second leading gapper, up 28% pre-market. This one looked interesting. The daily chart showed room from 7 to 728, 756, 787, then a jump up to 907, and then room to 1388. And that was breaking down the levels that I saw as per chapter 4 of the day trade course. So I thought it had potential, but I knew it needed to break through these levels. The bell rang, and as it started to spike up, I jumped in right away for the break of the pre-market high. Now, in this first candle, I had 170,000 shares of volume. It spikes up here through 690 up to a high of 720 and then rejects. I ended up stopping out, getting in, having profit, and then stopping out as it came back down with $1,700 of profit. I then got back in a place that was maybe a little too aggressive, and that was, you can see it was actually right, it was right here as this started to curl back up. I thought it was gonna, sorry, it wasn't there. It was at 25. It was actually like, it might have been like right here. As it was consolidating sideways, I thought maybe it was gonna curl and break over the VWAP. But the thing is, in the last month, those trades below VWAP haven't worked very well, and I really probably shouldn't have taken it at all. So a little disappointed that I lost on that, since I feel like I should know better, but I did give it a stab. But after that loss, I then did not go back and try to take the same trade on DTSS at the VWAP. I said, nope, not going to do that twice in a row. So I went from up 1,700 to up 1,000 on HOTH. And then from there, my last two trades were off the high day momentum scanner. So high day Momo scanner, AIM, AIM was popping up. This one was very thickly traded. Right now, it's got 21 million shares of volume. It's not trading like a 2.3 million share float. I doubt this is actually accurate. It's much more thickly traded than that. So I left that one alone. AVCO, higher price, higher float. IMAC. All right, so IMAC, this one pops up and it hits the scanner. I saw that it had a halt level at $1.40. I saw that there was a catalyst today, not the strongest necessarily, but there was a catalyst. So I went ahead and jumped in at 125. It pops up to 130, and then right at the ask on 130, there was a 25,000 share seller. I hit the bid at 128 and got out with $69 of profit. $116 of profit. And then the last trade was REXN. This one hit the scanner as well, spiking up here. And I just jumped in it for a micro pullback, which I actually did okay on. I got in right here for the break over 350. And then right here, I actually added at 360. There was a seller at 360. I added, thinking if it broke 360, we would rip up to 375. And it couldn't break that level. And then I sold the rest of my position right back down here. So only about $69 of profit there on REXN. And with that, calling it a day. You know, green is good. $1,200 is another solid day. It's the 11th consecutive green day. You know, but at this point, I'm just coming in each day, ready to trade the market I'm in. And on HOTH, had that broken over 720 and gotten into the levels that we were looking at, that could have been a really nice trade. $1,000, you know, right here is not bad at all, but it could have been one of the best trades of the week, but it really needed to break through 725, 750, 787, and then that's where it started to really look good. So that is disappointing that it didn't open up. And so the fact today is that the two leading gappers have both failed. HOTH and DTSS both failed. And I think that's a little bit indicative of it's telling when the two leading gappers fail that this might be a little bit of a slower day. It's not a guarantee, because of course there are some days where we'll have a stock like REXN pop up, rip up, and all of a sudden it's doing a daily breakout. Traders are jumping on it because the two stocks we were watching earlier failed, and we're looking for something else to trade. But that didn't end up happening. Well, it hasn't happened yet. It's only 10:30, but my rule right now is first hour of the day, you know, get those trades, try to make as much as I can, and then step back and walk away. All right, so, you know, that's kind of where we're at here this morning. No circuit breaker halts today. Volatility is a little bit lighter, kind of like Monday, but maybe we'll see a little bit of a bounce back tomorrow. All All right, so hope for another green day tomorrow. And with that, I will see you guys in the morning. Bye, everyone. Hey, have you seen my most popular video on YouTube? It's got over 5 million views. You can check it out right here and check out one of my other videos on YouTube right here. I hope you guys enjoy, and as always, if you have questions, leave them down below in the comments section. I personally respond to every comment that's posted.